Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought in new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Ropar. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe the channel. So IIT Ropar has given the notification for admission in PhD. The application process has already started from 21st March 2021 and the last date is 12th of April 2021. The eligibility required for that is BE BTech, ME, MA, MSc, MCA, M Pharma, MBSc, MD, MS, Integrated BS and MS, etc. Application are invited for admission in following department. There are various departments where they are offering PhD like biomedical, chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical, mechanical, metallurgical and material, engineering, chemistry, mathematics, physics and humanity and social sciences. There are different categories for admission in PhD. Like first one here you can see regular PhD, be a part of research team at IIT Ropar in your field of interest and earn a doctorate degree. Then direct PhD, the indirect PhD after BTech you can directly join for integrated PhD like with MTech. And then external PhD, if you are working in any R&D labs or employed in a reputed industry, then you can pursue your PhD. And next one part-time PhD, and last one PMRF, Pradhan Mantri Research Fellows PhD. These are offered for the talented students from IITs, IISc, IISER, NITs or IIEST like colleges. Here you can see they are already given the dates. Application will be available from 21st March, last date 12th of April 2021. These all are different category like PhD regular, PhD external, PhD direct, PhD part-time, international student, PhD admission for project staff, then part-time PhD for a staff member of IIT Ropar. They have given the date for written test and interview. Here you can see for metallurgy and material, the date of written test will be from 6th of May to 2021. For immunity and social sciences from 24th of May to 26th 2021. For biomedical 17 and 18, chemistry 24 to 26, computer science 24, 25, 26th May, civil 1st May onwards, mathematics 13th and 14th May 2021, chemical 5th to 7th May 2021. For electrical there are different dates. For power group the dates will be 3rd of May to 6th May, micro electronics group 6th May to 7th May and SPCOM group 10th May to 12th May. For physics 17th to 20th May 2021 and for mechanical 3rd and 5th May 2021. Here you can see the different details also. Like I am going back. Here you can see first I am clicking on this PhD regular. Then they are given different branches, research areas. Here you can see this PhD regular civil engineering research areas, structural engineering. In structural engineering there are different like durability assessment of retrofitted structure, corrosion deterioration and retrofitting of RC structure, impact and blast load analysis of a structure. Likewise for geotechnical also there are sub areas. In hydraulics and water resources there are different areas. In environmental engineering they have given different areas. Regarding eligibility, if you have bachelor degree in civil engineering followed by master degree in appropriate area with consistently good academic record, then you can apply for that. They have given apply online link here. Likewise for computer science also they have given different areas. The qualification required ME, MTech or MS or equivalent qualification in computer science and engineering with 60% marks or 6.5 grade point out of 10, and it is relaxed by 5% for SC and ST. For exceptional candidate with BTech degree in computer science and engineering or GATE or related area with valid GATE score can also apply for direct PhD. Or if anyone having a computer science and engineering degree from reputed IIT with minimum 8 CGPA out of 10 are exempted from the GATE qualification. The candidates who are currently studying in final year of their BTech programs would apply under direct PhD program as per direct PhD norms. They have given also here for computer science apply online link. You can click and can apply for that. Likewise, electrical, the qualification required MEM Tech in electrical or electronics or communication, computer science, instrumentation, control engineering or equivalent, or microelectronics with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA. Or if anyone applying directly after BTech, then they must have the GATE score. Or anyone having a degree from IIT, then they will be exempted from GATE qualification. Or candidate with bachelor degree from any IIT and having a CGPA CPI a score of 8 and above can apply for admission to PhD program. Such candidates are exempted from requirement of GATE qualification. Likewise, for every branch there are different areas, and they have given the qualification requirement. You can see from that, and they also have given the apply online link. From that you can apply. These all are like this is for mechanical engineering. They have given master degree in mechanical engineering or technology or related discipline, or master degree by research in mechanical engineering or technology or relevant discipline. Candidate must have 60% marks or 66.5 GPA. Or if you have MSc with valid GATE score in GATE or UGC or CSIR or NET or NBHM or equivalent candidate qualification, then also you can apply for PhD in mechanical. You must have 65% marks or 7 CGPA out of 10 in their master. Or if anyone having BTech, then they can also apply for direct PhD program. In that BTech you must have 65% marks or 7 CGPA. Or if any but you must have GATE qualification, valid GATE qualification. Or anyone having BTech from IIT and having CGPA more than 8, then there is no requirement for GATE qualification. In every branch they have given different areas and eligibility. You can see from that. Likewise, in metallurgy and material they have given master degree in relevant engineering or technology, or master degree by research in relevant engineering or technology, and candidate must have 60% marks, then you can apply for that. Or any candidate with BTech in relevant engineering or technology with minimum CGPA 8 and having valid GATE score in GATE, UGC, CSIR or NET, then also you can apply. Or anyone having BTech from IIT and are exempted from GATE qualification, they can also apply for direct PhD program. They have given apply online link. Likewise, for different they have given different eligibility criteria, so you must see from that. For likewise for PhD external they have given the link. From that you can see there are different areas, different branches, what are the eligibility criteria. Individually it is not possible. Here you can see what they have given for PhD external. A research scholar under external registration program will carry out major part of all of his or her research work in the industry or research laboratory employing the scholar. Research scholar under external registration program should be sponsored by and employed in industry or research laboratory having R&D facility and recognized by DST or IIT Ropar. Admission to this program is open to the department or center as furnished in the institute website or advertisement. Registration under this program is generally open in following department: for engineering, civil, chemical, computer science, electrical, mechanical, biomedical, metallurgical and material. Minimum qualification they have given. In addition to purchasing the academic qualification mentioned in the respective department or center under regular PhD program, and applicants should fulfill the following requirement also. GATE or equivalent qualification is not required for admission. Professional experience, you must have 2 years of service as on deadline of application. Organization or institution must have at least 5 years of its existence for sponsoring candidate to ERP program. Only person engaged in R&D work in technical or scientific institution or industries or R&D establishment are eligible. A sponsorship or NOC, unconditional sponsorship or NOC by employer is essential, and they must at the time of joining IIT Roper will not have any financial liability for the candidate throughout the tenure of PhD. They have given the link also. Click here to apply. From that you can apply. Likewise for this PhD direct, they also have given direct PhD under this category gets an opportunity to earn a doctorate degree in engineering or science or humanity after bachelor degree. Means after bachelor you can directly do PhD. Admission to this program is open to department or center as furnished in the institute website. They have given different engineering discipline or science discipline where you can pursue your PhD. Minimum eligibility criteria they have given. Studying in final year of BE Tech. Research area will be same as regular PhD program. No GATE or other equivalent national examination qualification required. CGPA of at least 8 out of 10. And for a student, this is for a student of a student pass out from centrally funded technical institute. And if you are non-CFTIs, then you must, if you are studying in final year, then you can apply. GATE qualification will be required, means you must have valid GATE score, CGPA at least 8 out of 10. Program detail, regular PhD program guideline will be followed. They have given click here to apply online. From that you can apply. Likewise for PhD part-time also they have given. A researcher scholar under the part-time PhD will carry out major part or all of his or her research work at IIT Roper under the supervision of supervisor at IIT Roper. The feasibility of doing this with sufficient intensity will be an important consideration in admitting the scholar in this category. The candidate should be employed in reputed industry, reputed university or institution or organization. Leave is not required for attending the courses. Minimum qualification required. Admission to this program is open to the department or center as furnished in the institute website or advertisement. Registration under this program is generally open in the following department or center. Means you can apply for civil, chemical, computer science, electrical, mechanical, biomedical, metallurgy and material, and PhD in science, mathematics, chemistry and physics. Minimum eligibility requirement in addition to possessing the academic qualification mentioned in the respective department or center under regular PhD program, and applicants should fulfill the following requirement also. Minimum qualification for each candidate is same as for full-time candidate, except that the requirement of qualifying in national examination is waived off. Means if you are applying for part-time PhD, then there is no requirement of valid GATE score or GATE qualification. Professional experience, you must have 2 years of experience after BE Tech or MTech or MSc or MA. Sponsorship or NOC, you must have to submit NOC from appropriate authority in organization clearly stating the following: the candidate is permitted to pursue studies on part-time basis, that his or her official duty permits him or her to devote sufficient time for research. Facilities for research in the candidate's field of research in area in which admission is sought are available at the candidate's place of work. He will be fully received relieved from duty and permitted to reside at the institute for period required residency. They have given the link. Click here to apply online. So that's all about the details of IIT Roper PhD. You have time up to 12th of April, means 11 days left from today also. So you can apply for that. And if you have lesser GATE score, then there is a good chance for selecting here. Otherwise, if you have a higher GATE score and better research proposal and other things, then you can try for top IITs. But this is for lower or medium level, you can tell. If you are not if you are not selected in top, then you can apply for in this IITs also. Means it is new, and maybe everything is not there, but they will provide you everything, like where from where you will carry out your research work. If there is no facility, then they will be allow you to go some other institute for testing or characterization also. That's a little bit problem, no, not more than that. But and for some department is and this is the problem, not for all. So if you have liked the videos, please share it with friends also who want to take admission in some IITs. So share with them, and thank you. Have a nice day.